It's about 260 pounds heavier than the coupe, and as I said, 120 pounds heavier than the four-door because of not having the cage technology. So Trish, I'll go ahead and close this up real quick. There we go. You want to go around over to the side window? I'll put the window up so we can go over the sticker. So I think because not having the roof and the B and C pillar, they've reinforced the car. It's heavier, more rigidity for performance and safety. Okay, like I've seen in the past, most of the convertibles are heavier than the coupe and the sedan versions. So now the car is 193 inches long, just under 75 inches wide, and just under 54 inches tall. So nice and stealthy, as you can see by that